Now, there's been a lot of confusion about what we do, and some people have accused this type of work as being not humane, but that in fact is not the case. This is work that is done that is completely within the guidelines of the FDA and NIH. It's been well vetted from the standpoint of its ethics, and every experiment that we do here is vetted by the animal care committees here on campus. These are not the kind of studies that went on many years ago at Wisconsin and other places where there was much more severe adversity that was induced, like severe isolation. Some of that work was done by Harry Harlow, who was a pioneer in the field and made very, very important contributions to our understanding of how mothers and infants relate to each other and the critical components of attachment, which are now being used in nurseries all over the country and so on. And in fact, what we're actually doing is what is considered normal animal husbandry at the Primates Center and in zoos all across America and the world. When baby monkeys are rejected by their mothers, typically what happens is that they're raised in a nursery by humans and then are placed with other peers in a living environment like that. And it's not uncommon, just like in human mothers where things don't go well, that sometimes with monkey mothers things don't go well, and those types of abilities to take care of the monkeys are necessary to do. So we think that what we're doing is very important because it allows us to model what we consider to be modern adversity that is very familiar to human families. But it also allows us to study monkeys as they develop and to really understand what the impacts of that are on the developing brain from the standpoint of how different brain regions work and from the standpoint of how different critical brain regions are communicating with each other, which we believe will really give us some really important insights into why it is that children who are exposed to this kind of adversity can develop some severe problems.